Ever since I left the city, ever since I left the city, ever since I left the
I wonder if I can use fake skin to block my brows. I'm about to find out. This stuff is like the worst. I don't know if all fake skin is like this or if it's just Walmart brand. Because I mean, it's Walmart, but okay. Yep, this might work. The only thing is I don't know. Well, you don't want to obviously do that. I don't know how well eyeshadow will blend over top of it. We will see how this turns out. I'm just trying to smooth it out as best as I can. Fake skin's good for like making like creepy looking like zombie skin and stuff. So like texture wise it's clumping up to be very creepy looking, but I was wanting it to be a little smoother, so I'm trying to smooth it out as best as I can without taking it off the brows. But it's proving to be a little bit harder of a task than I thought. So it looks like the skin's gonna be a little lumpy in that area. I feel like because it's so sticky, I should probably set that. I'm gonna use some Coty Airspun Translucent and just really dab that in there. A dab will do ya! And now that I'm legally blind in this eye, actually, if you want to know the real tea, I'm supposed to wear glasses and this eye is actually worse than that eye. So now I screwed up both eyes. I'm just gonna go in with some e.l.f. Cream gel liner and an eyeliner brush, or a flat brush that's normally used for either eyeliner or brows. As soon as I find one, here we go. I really like this one. It's the Luxie 215 small angle brush. So it's not like the worst, but it's definitely not the easiest working over top of this fake skin. I mean, I'm not having a whole lot of faith with this look just because of how bad the skin is screwing me over. All that for some extra eyebrow. That probably isn't even gonna work because it's probably not gonna blend over top of this. What did I do? So I did have a specific black eyeshadow in mind, but I'm like pretty sure I'm gonna go try to look for it, but I think it's one of the ones that is missing, aka was stolen. So let me just check real quick. Okay, so I don't have the shade I wanted, so I will have to improvise with some other stuff that I have. So I'm gonna start off with this dark plum shade from my Morphe 35N palette. You know, just a natural soft glam. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade right next to it, which is it's like there's two blacks. This one actually looks darker than that one. I don't really know what the difference is though. I don't know what makes this one darker. So I'm actually gonna go with the lighter one and then the darker one just to get that ombre faded look. No, I'm saying it's almost like scales, which isn't honestly a bad look because I'm going for like a demon look, or demon vixen, whatever you want to call it. My skin's coming off. Okay, so I'm gonna try to stop hitting that so hard. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this NARS single shadow in Mekong, I don't know, it's a dark shade. It's not like black by any means, it's just very dark and has shimmer to it. Come on, that took way too long. See like the pigment? Oh, you can't see because it's not focused. Wow. Okay, so the pigment on this one compared to the Morphe is like crazy. So instead of really blending that out like I would want to, I was kind of patting it on there because of the texture. It's just not going to let me do it any other way. So then going back in with my Tarte Shape Type, I'm going to do my little cut crease. But I think I'm going to actually do it higher than normal because I do have the exaggerated brow. I want to exaggerate the eye out more. So that being said, I feel like that's a good amount. And then I'm going to come back with this and just do a little bit under the brow. I feel like it just took so much away when I was blending up the shadow. So there's a little bit more, because I'm probably going to go over top of it with a highlight, so it's not so like straight cut off, but just so like the shadow isn't like blended into the eyebrow. Okay, so this is my first time using this. I think I got this in like my last Ipsy bag, which was like back in January, so it's been quite a long time. But this is the Furless Loose Eyeshadow Pigment. It's definitely coming out more blue. I thought it was going to be purple because it looks pretty purple in here. Of course, it's going to go back to not really wanting to focus, but it's just a lot more purple looking in there, but could be because it still has like the tape over the holes. So I'll peel that off. It's so weird though, because like it looks blue. I don't know if it's just like mixing with the Shape Tape and it's making it look like that. This is looking like a hot mess right now, you guys, but I'm hoping it's gonna come together in my envision here. Sneaky. Yeah, it's sneaky, all right, because it's supposed to be like purple and it's coming out blue. Like it's like a navy blue. You see that? That's not purple. What's the swatch like? Even the swatch is like weird because it's like darker. It's sneaky, all right. Well, because of that, I'm just gonna go with my Dear Kitty Brown glitters, And I'll probably do this one. It's like a mixture of purples and like teal shades. I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue. So this is mixing with my foundation brush, so it's making it almost look pink right now, but well, that's okay. Do not use red, orange, purple, or pink in the eye area. Got it. I want to use some white for a highlight, but I don't want to use my Mayron white because I don't want to mix that together. Okay, that was way too much. I just feel like the eye is too dark, so I think I'm gonna go in with this white glitter. Well, it's not, I mean, it looks white. I don't know what the actual name is, but it's from the NYX metallic glitters. And I'm going to go over my black liner with this. I'm just going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk for that. Okay, so I just got this one. It's the Mayron Paradise Makeup. It is water activated paint. So I'm going to probably get my brush ready. I don't know what brush I'm going to use yet. Using my Natasha Beverly Hills Glow Kit, I'm going to be using Star, which I think is the first time I've ever used it. A blinding highlight, you guys. I'm like beyond obsessed. I'm going to be trying this shade. It looks like it's a bluish color, but it's fine. I would really rather have used a purple to go with the eye, but I've been using my black a lot from the Strictly Vinyl, which I love it, but I wanted to try something different, but still keep it a dark color. This is the Strictly Vinyl lip gloss in the shade Rebel. It looks like it's a purple, or it looks like it's like a navy color, but we'll see what it looks like when it's on.
Yeah, it looks like it.
It kind of looks like it might be have a hint of purple, like a violet. Look up there.
Hi guys, it's me, Audrey, and today Miss is gonna be something very cool. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I actually am pretty happy with how it turned out. Wasn't sure if it was going to really do what I wanted it to do, but I think it turned out pretty good. So if you like this look, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because it lets me know you like what I'm doing. I'm doing a good job, that whole thing. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Here, come say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, everyone.
I hope.
Look at the camera.
Bye. I hope you missed our video.
My breath is vile, full of harm and rejection. One last